I did a walk through the Patong Merlin last year in August. I'm going to do a walkthrough now. She's fully shut down and under reconstruction, refurbishment. So let's see if we can get through. Wow, a little bit different to last year. Patong Merlin, it's looking absolutely sensational. It's funny, I thought all this new part last year was new since we stayed here anyway, and it's all ripped down.
It's probably a 12-month project, eh?
So what do you cut? Which way? You try and go around?
Watch your step.
Yeah, watch out for nails. Yeah.
So every single room is gutted this way.
Oh wow, yeah, look at all the blue tarps.
Every single room is gutted and it's being refurbished completely.
Sawadee Cup. Sawadee Cup. It's looking absolutely beautiful. The gardens are just looking sensational this time of year. So yeah, the Patong Merlin will be back, bigger and better than ever. I'm going to try and sneak up here. That's new, part of the new design. New pool being constructed. So this is the first hotel we stayed at in Phuket when we first came over in 2007. We've had a number of stays really over the years at Patong Merlin. Love the Patong Merlin. So just looking at it, I think I'd be happy, Jack, to come back and stay next time we're in Phuket if it's all redone. I don't think we'll be back in Thailand for a couple of years, so I've got to make the most of this trip. Yeah. The rooms, wow, they're looking nice. This pool's obviously been left alone. The one further down towards the beach looks like a whole new pool setup. The swim up bar, even that's new since Jack and I stayed here. I think 2011 was the last time we stayed. So it has been 12 years since we've stayed here. And I think we stayed in 07, 08, 09 and 11. So yeah, we've had the 4 stays at Patong Merlin.
When we first came over, I showed you the photos of this hotel and it was recently refurbished then.
Right,
but
yep.
That was 2 years after the tsunami
Yep.
that took this out.
Yeah, the tsunami come crashing through here. It's just hard to comprehend that the tsunami come crashing through all this. I believe it's 11 years since we stayed here. So yeah, in 2007, as Jack just said, it had just been refurbished. And obviously this pool's staying original as well. Wow, look at the rooms, Jack.
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it?
Just every room being redone. You got the tarps through the trees right down the front there, but all these rooms completely gutted. Wow. So yeah, a bit of a walkthrough. I tell you what, I think it's going to be really, really good once it's redone, so keep an eye on it.
We'll have a look at reception.
I don't know if it's still going to be the Patong Merlin. So this is the Patong Merlin in Phuket, in Patong. Sawadee Cup.
How are you?
Good, thank you. Sawadee Cup. Wow. I did have a comment on the video on YouTube, and someone was saying it was going to be under a different chain.